Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, first of all, how are you all? How's your day is going? So, today I want to talk about my experiences of today. For some days, I want to teach someone and start my work with some institution, and we can say that I want to expose and want exposure of the world. So, there is one of the school in my locality. There is vacancy, and I fill that vacancy. I make a resume and then go to submit my resume. I talked, and they are also impressed by me. So I I talked about in detail about to what's happened there when I go there, and all the details and all the small things that if you want to go anywhere, you can implement in your life. So, first of all, I go there, I've fill all the information detail, and watchman uncle asked me about for what purpose you are coming here. I said that this is my work and I want to give my resume. So they said that go and do your work. So I'm go there, and I talked to receptionist, and then they recommend, and they referred to one of the teacher there. So I talked to ma'am, and firstly I gave her a resume of mine. Okay, then after see my resume, and yeah, you are impressive, and they and ask questioning me something about from where you are doing your schooling and your college, and what are you doing now, and what subjects are you going to study. So I'm saying that I'm doing my college from here, and I'm doing my college from there, and schooling and college, sorry, schooling and college. And then I'm saying that my specialty is in that subjects, and if there is a vacancy, and we can say that there is vacancy, I'm saying that I want to study from first to fifth. And then they are saying if you are give you a primary classes, that first and second class. I'm saying no, I don't want to, and I'm not interested to serve all those people who are very irritating, because first second class students are so irritating. So I'm saying that I want to teach till fifth. So they are saying that if you are comfortable in grammar and English, I'm saying that ma'am, don't worry, I'm English literature student and I can manage all the thing. They are like confident and feel good about me. Then they are saying that come tomorrow and give your demo class. So I'm like, okay, this would work, and I'm like happy, sure. And then after I came to home, and all the things and all the talkings I talked about, and discussed with my mother and my brother. So this is all about my experiences of today, and I am doing my preparation of competitive examination. But then after I'm uh, thinking about going to school and teaching the students, because this is not about you are preparing and you have to devote all your time in your preparation. This is all about a development, that you how you interact with the people around you, and join with the corporation, and we can say that join with people, and join with any firm, and we can say that group. So we can easily contract, and all after all the things after that, we have to interact in our job also, in our government job also. So this is a primary need for any examination, and firstly this boosts our confidence. All we want to boost our confidence, to boost our leadership qualities, and to boost our development energies. And of course, financial stability is also mandate. So I feel like I have to experience share experiences with you, and this is included in my session of English, that I have to explain all the things and express my view better in English. I'm good in Hindi, and I'm good in Rajasthani language also, because I am belong to Rajasthan. But I have to, okay. So thank you for watching my video. Okay, bye. Lights are gone. So I have also gone. I have to also gone. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, bye.